Guess who's moving out?
Me, your investing coach Wahidah. All right, y'all. I have been super busy, and I don't think I can get a video out for you this Sunday. So, compromise. What if I give you a tour of the space I've been living in for 2 years? And as I do it, I'll give you a breakdown of the costs and whatnots. Deal? All right, let's go.
So we are moving out. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath. I'll show you the shared space and our living space. So this is a 1,200 square foot space in San Francisco. Oh, this was under the island. Ew! This is the kitchen. Oh, boxes just everywhere. All right, here's some photos. Cute. Oh, he's so adorable. All right, so we pay in total with 2 cars. So roommate has a car, we've got a car. So the apartment, it cost $4,600. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath, and 2 parking spots. My partner and I, we were in this room. So we paid $2,520 a month. So my half of the rent was $1,260. So it's quite a big space. This is a walk-in closet. Blinds fell off. They were kind of already broken when we moved in. This is the master bedroom, so it does have an ensuite bathroom with a washer and dryer. This is the bathroom, so quite big. Y'all, bathtub here. And then we've got a really large closet, which is really nice. I love this a lot. And then another thing here, we have switches where it would turn the heat on. If I was cold in the morning, I'd turn that on. Oh, the heat would just blow on me, so beautiful. And look at this view. Makes that $4,000 rent worth it, right? Oh God, I love this. It's a beautiful day today as well.
All right. Okay, now let's go take a look at the amenities. So the amenities here, they've got a pool, 2 hot tubs, a dog run spot, a little like clubhouse area, and a gym and sauna. Let's go. All right, so we are going to the gym and the hot tub pool area and the sauna. I lived here. Such a beautiful space. And I just get access to it any time of the day, so it's so nice. I will say I didn't use the pool as often as I would have liked, but this is the pool. And then if you see there, that is the hot tub. Someone's here, so I don't want to get too close. And then behind me is the gym. Let's go check it out. You may remember some videos or photos of me standing right here. Let's go check out the sauna. And I did check to make sure no one was in here. So it's like the bathroom and a sauna area. So here it is. Let me flip this over for you. So the sauna area, turn the lights on. You can turn on the temperature. Oh, and I did love this so much. So beautiful, so available at any time of the day. I still probably averaged about using this only about 6 times over the 2 years I was here. And then there's like a shower area, so you can like hop out of the sauna and get really cool down with the shower and then get right back in. And then lockers as well if you want to drop things off here and then go to the gym. And one thing I loved about this building is that there's a lot of greenery. So it feels like I'm in a park, right? Like like in the middle of the city kind of park. But the thing is, we're on the 4th floor, so there's a lot of greenery for being on the 4th floor of a building. It was honestly when I moved to SF where I was kind of awestruck by how many plants there are in places where it just doesn't make sense, right? Like these plants, like this is all the dirt they have like in these little tub things, and there's so many. It's like a little oasis. So that was like a signal to me. I'm like, oh wow, how luxe. All right, so this is a large complex. So we've got this side of the building, so this side that I'm on, and then this other side that I'm on that we have access to as well. So this is where they've got like a little community area here, and then on the other side is like a dog park. So let's go there really quickly to check it out. So it's like a beautiful, again, we're on the 4th floor, but so much greenery, so much, within reason, right? Because this is still a city, lots of greenery. Okay, this right here, the hot tub, I've never used this one because there's one on the other side, and then we've got, I don't think we're gonna be able to get in because I don't have the keys to it. You have to like rent it out essentially, but it's like a little club room place where you can rent it out for $20 for 4 hours, and the whole space is for you. And then there's like, I don't know if you can see, like a kitchen area here. Yeah, okay, you can see a little bit better here, but there's like a little bit of a TV going on with like chairs and a whole, there's a kitchen back there as well, as you can see. So yeah, it's like a really cool just hangout spot that you can rent for $20, and you can have just to get together. It closes at 10. We've used the space before and it's beautiful. It's lovely to have to host events. So yeah, really enjoyed the spot. Here's a side view from the other side of it. And then we have the dog park here, which is very nice if you have dogs. We don't have a dog, but we have taken friends' dogs here before, so it's really nice to have, so you don't have to go to the 1st floor. But yeah, those are the amenities here. So we've lived in SF for 4 years now in this building complex. It's been 2 years, and I've really enjoyed it. Our landlord has been really sweet. But Tree, he got a job. My partner got a job a little bit outside of the city, so he was driving across the bridge every day, and it was an hour commute. So we were like, let's cut out the bridge. Let's move to Oakland. So we cut out the Bay Bridge, and we'll be still in the city, but a different one. So yeah, you have a view of Salesforce Tower there, and then just downtown, which is very beautiful. So I absolutely will miss this place for sure. And then before I was filming earlier, I was right there. All right, now back to the apartment where I gotta scrub a toilet and a bathtub. All right, y'all, enough of that. So yeah, in 2 weeks, bye. Bye, apartment.
Even the sky is sad we're moving out.
Mm-hmm.
They're doing an ad for U-Haul.
Only $19.95. Say it. Goodbye, Beacon.
Goodbye, Beacon.
Waymo. Who's driving? Nobody.